Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today let's try some homemade mango boba pearls. Boba pearls are usually made with tapioca starch, but if you don't have that at home, you can make it with some sago pearls. Just powder it and sift it to make it into fine powder. In some mango, add some sugar and water and blend it really well. Now into the mango puree, add the sago powder, mix it. Once it turns into a dough, mix it using your hands and add some hot water. Once it turns into a dough like this, take small portions, make small balls like this. Now our sago pearls are ready for boiling. So drop them into hot boiling water. Cook it till all the boba pearl starts to float on top of the water. Cook it for a while and then take it and immediately drop it into ice cold water like this. Now this process will make the bobas really chewy. Now take it out from the cold water. Then mix it with some honey or any type of sweeteners. Now add these mango boba pearls into a serving glass with some mango milkshake. Give it a stir and it's ready to enjoy. So definitely try out this delicious mango boba pearls. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more amazing recipes from our channel. Thank you.